Does Galatians 6:2 and Galatians 6:5 contradict? In Galatians 6:2 it is written, "Bear one another's burdens, and thereby fulfill the law of Christ." However, in Galatians 6:5 it is written, "For each one will bear his own load." Verse 2 says that we should bear one another's burden, while verse 5 seems to tell us the opposite. However, this is just a misreading of the text. Paul here is making an intentional contrast that's a little hard to pick up without looking at the Greek of the passage. In Galatians 6:2, the Greek word for burdens, or barli, are burdens which exceed his weight, heaviness, a burden anything grievous is hard to be borne. The word here means a task that a person cannot do by themselves, and thus needs the help of another. Paul here is telling believers to encourage and support one another during these hard times. In Galatians 6:5, the Greek word for load, or fortion, is used. It refers to a burden proportioned to the strength of him who bears it. As Myers clarifies, the distinction between baros and fortion, which is not diminutive, consists in this: the latter denotes the burden insofar as it is carried by men, beasts, ships, and wagon, hence freight, baggage, and the like, while the former denotes the burden as heavy and oppressive. In itself, the fortion may be light or heavy, whereas the baros is always burdensome. The idea here is that for great burdens, the church should help one another, but as for simple tasks, a person should not be a sloth but go out and do them.